Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is my Model Y, and as you all know, I drive the 2023 Tesla Model Y rear-wheel drive. It's the standard range, I suppose, standard range plus edition, and we are excited today because we are going to be doing an unboxing of floor mats. So we got these floor mats from Taptes. They are a company, you can find them on their website. You can also take a look at them on Amazon. They sell a bunch of accessories for a whole bunch of different types of needs that you would need for your Tesla, whether it's electronics or what have you. So, but what we have right now are the floor mats. These floor mats are going to be installed into the Tesla Model Y. They actually can fit from a 2021 to a 2023 Model Y. We'll look at the durability. We'll look at what they're made out of, and we'll see how they fit in the vehicle. All right, so before we do that, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and when you're done, please share it. And also take a look in the comments, because down by the comments or in the description, there'll be a link to the website for this for these floor mats, and there will be a link to them on Amazon where you can also purchase them. Okay, so I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you consider buying them after, and we'll see how they are. All right. All right. Yeah. So this is the box right now that everything came in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the box and see what these look like. Oh, here we go. And here we go. We'll take these out. And here are the mats that go in the car. All right. Now we'll show you what they look like going inside the car. All right, so this is the first mat that we're gonna put in the vehicle to show you. This is the front mat, right? Put that down there. Fits perfectly in the front. So you can put that there and you won't have any damage to your plastic. Now what we have here is for the back. Now the back mat goes here, like so. Right? Put this, take this out of here. And very simply put that in like that. And here we go. There's the back. Fits perfectly. Perfect for your feet. Perfect there. That looks good. All right, now we'll do the front. Right here, I believe that this would be the front mat for here. This front mat also fits perfectly on the side. And it's easy to install, just like that. And this mat here, I assume, is spare. But here, this one here is for over here. Underneath the driver's side. Right? There we go. We got our mat there. All right. As we move this up, this mat here, very simply goes in like so. see, even with this mat in here, you're still able to lift that up and grab the bottom mat. We're back here. And there you go. Put that down, put that up, and now you close. And that's how simple those are installed. Well, so that's it. As you can see, that set of mats that you would have got from Taptes gave you a front mat, a trunk mat, mat for your cooler space in the back of your trunk, mat for your back seat, and 2 mats for the front, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. So with that said, you can check the bottom in the description. You'll see the link again to the Amazon listing for these mats. Also, there's a link to their website where you can check out those mats and a ton of other stuff that you could do to customize your Tesla. So again, like and subscribe. In the future, we'll even be demonstrating how durable these mats are in the winter. It's the summer now, so basically in any summer climate, really the most you would have is a little bit of rain, water, a little bit of sand, whatnot. Those are plenty. That will be more than enough for what you need. Much better than what you get with Tesla, because you don't really get anything. But yeah, so enjoy that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. Like I always said before, you get more content. The videos will get better. Everything will move on forward. It'll be great. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Take a look at the website, Taptes, for that company, and we will always be sharing their mats and showing how durable they actually are. All right, thank you.